Any defense?
Defense? My client is too adorable to plan crime and too chaotic to execute one properly.
Oh, wow. Did you eat the cookies?
Cookies fled when they heard you're baking. I only eat survivors.
Oh, wow. Ha! Okay.
Bail is $500.
Bail? My price is 2 crackers and a sincere apology for that haircut.
Mm-hmm. Noted.
Do you like my hair?
Like it? It screams experimental microwave. Bold but criminal. Excuse me?
Oh my gosh!
How old are you?
Age? Girl, your warranty expired so hard even antiques send condolences.
How many followers?
Enough to make your ex text, "Why didn't I listen?" and your mom ask for PR tips.
Oh my.
Who ate the donut?
I didn't eat it. I rescued it from a tragic life of carbs and regret.
All right, hero, here's another one.
Check these out.
Those weights are props for your ego. Lift my standards first, then come back for real games.
Ha! All right. Heavy duty coming up.
Did you eat the cookies?
Cookies? They left because your baking is a public hazard. I only take survivors.
Oh.
Who's there?
It's the Parrot coming out to roast your life choices. Oh, no way!
Oh, man. You stole the pods?
I liberated them from a boring life, unlike you, whose personality is in long-term storage.
Huh. Wow.
Brag.
Those weights? Props for your confidence. Try lifting my standards and then brag.
All right. Bigger net coming up.
Do you like my hair?
Like it? It screams experimental microwave, bold, criminal, and unforgettable.
Oh. Huh? Oh my gosh.
How many followers?
Enough to make your mom ask for PR tips, and your ex to regret every tweet.
Oh no. Oh my. Any defense?
Defense? My client is too adorable to plan crime, and too chaotic to execute one properly.
Oh no. Oh, that's good.